explain how you properly fuel your Zippo lighter. Obviously, when you get a Zippo lighter, you're not gonna have fuel in it, so you're gonna have to fuel it up. So what you're gonna want to do is just take your thing out and take the insert out. So briefly, what the insert looks like, it should look like this piece. So you want to take that piece out and put the case to the side and take this insert, and you want to lift this felt pad up. This little piece here will come up. You want to take your fuel and fill it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you should have it filled up. Then take your insert, shake it around a little bit, place it back in your Zippo lighter case. Okay. Close it down. Make sure it's closed tight. And then you gotta go to light it. Simple as that.